Hello friends, what's up? You welcome to our HD2. Today I am gone awesome product to show you guys. This is a smartwatch. I am buy from Amazon.in. Let's unbox it. First cut the tape. Cut the tape and open the bill over here. This is a bill, guys. Keep aside. Let's unbox it. Oh friends, this is a smartwatch. I am very excited to see the watch. Let's cut the tape and open it. Very carefully cut the tape. The watch is nicely packed. The watch keep for a side sometime and check out the other things. It is a USB for charging. A user guide, user manual. These were our items I got in the box. Let's check out the main watch. The watch build quality is very nice. The top of the watch has 2 megapixel camera and other side a main button. The button very clicky and nice. One charging port over here, you see. Let's on it. Smartwatch. The watch touch quality is very nice. There are many applications over here. You see. Let's check out the camera. The camera quality is very good. You see, This was price about 1000 rupees. Please subscribe to our channel.